Well, here we go on a Monday, joined by Dave Schroeder, as it is day 3 now of the Bailey Boswell trial. Welcome in, Dave.
Yes, good morning to you.
Well, lots of things have happened over the last couple days. Opening statements have been done. They are all done. You got to go and you were there. Anything strike you from that?
Yes, they delivered the opening statements on Friday morning, and the prosecution, Sandra Allen with the Nebraska Attorney General's office, basically laid out the timeline from the time that Sydney had disappeared and that the development of the case in trying to track down who might have been responsible and locating her. And cell phone records will be a part of this case. And, of course, autopsy photos and so forth will be part of this case. The defense says that you need to prove this case beyond a reasonable doubt. And so that's kind of what they're sort of relying on at this point. And so it'll be interesting to see what is presented there.
One of the things that we often hear in a case like this, but she talked about, was burden of proof, and that the burden of proof is on the state in this case. Talk a little bit about what that means.
Well, I think that a juror doesn't need to have no doubt in their mind that they have the person responsible and there was a crime committed, and not have any doubt in their minds that that person was not responsible for that crime. So
it's a high standard, as it should be in a case like this, right?
Absolutely. It's a capital murder case, which means Miss Boswell could be eligible for the death penalty.
All right. So where do we go from here?
This morning, opening arguments started, or the presentation of the witnesses started, and the first person on the stand was Sydney Loofe's mother, Susan Loofe. She's a native of Neely, and so she was talking a little bit about Sydney growing up and what she did after graduating from high school. She wanted to be a veterinary technician, and that didn't suit her, and she began working at Menards in Norfolk and transferred to the Menards in Lincoln.
So establishing her character a little bit with this, I suppose. All right, very good. Well, lots more. Dave, I appreciate you coming in and keeping us updated on this crazy time. Thank you, Dave. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.